How to delete your Google account permanently. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. In this quick tutorial video, I'm here to guide you on how to delete your Google account permanently. So do watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Firstly, launch Google application on your device. Once it opens, tap profile icon at top right corner of the screen and then access or sign in to your particular Google account which you want to delete. Now tap Manage Your Google Account button. After waiting for a few minutes, you will get access to this Google account section. Tap Data and Privacy next to Personal Info. Scroll down and locate the option of Delete your Google account, which is at the bottom of the screen. This will delete your entire data and account. So you have to use your passkey to confirm that it's really you. So tap on Continue button and enter your passkey, that is your fingerprint or Face ID. So once tapping on Continue, this will lead to the other pages. Now here you need to read this carefully. Before deleting your Google account, you can tap on Download Your Data and you can download your data before deleting your account. So all this content will be deleted like your Gmail, YouTube, calendar, contacts, and Google Play apps and digital content. So you have to check mark this both the options here and tap Delete Account at the bottom right corner of the screen. And then your Google account has been successfully deleted permanently. So that is it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and subscribe for more tech and tips videos.